Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to add grunge texture to text in Photoshop. Apply two steps. First of all, apply step 1. Select the text. I already typed this text. Then create a layer mask. Then you download this texture, grunge texture, PNG. Then download this grunge texture. Press Ctrl A, select all. Press Ctrl C or direct go to select tab, select all, then copy this. Then again click this layer, channels. You find channels, go to window tab and find channels. Click, then show this option. Press Ctrl V or go to the tab first. Okay. Then edit position. Go to select tab, transform control, and height. Go to select tab, deselect. Then click the layer options and click text. Click, then double click, remove or retype your new text or says. And step 2, right click, convert to smart object, again right click, raster as layer, dissolve, filter tab, blur, fill blur. Or add a texture. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.